Hello, and welcome to another update video on HBAR. I'm here on the daily time frame for HBAR. Here, I think we can see best the different scenarios that we've been tracking together. And so let's see what is going on this time frame. So on the HBAR chart, there are still three different bullish scenarios that remain valid and plausible. So the most directly bullish scenario is the blue one here, in which the price has formed a wave 1, wave 2. We are likely now still in the third wave, then there would be a 4 and a 5. This is the scenario in which the market could move higher more directly, but ideally we stay above this green line around 22.5 cents. Yeah. Once we break below that level, I think it becomes more probable that we are here in this orange scenario, simply because the market would then form a lower low here compared to the one in August, and we could be aiming for this support zone between 15.2 cents and 19.6 cents. This is the orange scenario in which the price might form an ABC structure to the upside and not a 5-wave move up. Certainly possible. I mean, I don't really like how the market is consolidating here so long. This starts to look a bit strange in the blue scenario. We might indeed be forming some kind of a diagonal pattern to the upside, or here this orange ABC structure to the upside. The main takeaway is once we break below that green line, I don't think we are forming an upside impulse. That would be the blue count, in which we're now in the third wave, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We would rather be in something more complex, like, for example, here, like an ABC structure to the upside, yeah. Then the focus shifts to 15.2 cents to 19.6 cents as next support levels. So we'll just see how the market reacts to this Fibonacci support zone. And from this support zone, then we can watch for higher prices in a C wave. So, but again, for now, the market still is clearly in a correction, but we're approaching this critical support line there at around 22.5 cents. So this is a level that has provided resistance before here in May, and has provided support in July, support in August, and now again potentially, right? So again, both of these scenarios are bullish. I'm quite neutral between them. I slightly prefer the blue scenario at this point. It's quite simple. As long as we hold above that green line, I'm watching for higher prices more directly. And in the orange scenario, a deeper B wave pullback. The white scenario is really much more bearish and would indicate that the wave 4 that potentially bottomed in April is still unfolding. Possible, but honestly, if we really have to get into this support zone again, I mean, I'm not sure. I'm not sure if the market will then really make that move to the upside in this cycle, because it would likely involve Bitcoin losing some support levels as well, and then it also becomes more probable that this entire cycle is already over for HBAR. For now, I think the focus is still on higher prices, especially as long as we're holding above that 22.5 cent level. Below that level, the focus can shift here to this Fibonacci support zone. I don't have any other support zone above that here on the daily chart for now, just the structural support line. So a bit of a waiting game. Price seems to be in a holding pattern for now, but soon we should have this resolved. That's just a quick update on HBAR. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.